Sir, English has been with us for a very long period of time. For example, since colonial time, we have been living with English. Even after independence, we couldn't get rid of it. What do you think? Shall we own this language? When I say we own this language, we accept it as it's our language. Definitely, we are going to make some changes in it in order to make it. So, do you agree with the concept that we should accept it as our own, just like in India adopted this policy, they own the English language, and now they are writing reference works like grammar books of their own Indian variety. A lot of work has been done. So, do you agree if we in Pakistan adopt the same policy?
Sir, thank you so much for having me here. Uh, Basically, we are not the only in the race of owning English. Just as you mentioned that India has adopted English in offices, in constitution, and rest of the walks of life. So African countries have adopted English, and similarly, Pakistan has not lagged behind in owning English. So there is the multiple factors behind adopting this language in our offices, in college, in curriculum, and everywhere almost. So the main reason is that we see that English is a highly developed language, and this is the language of the highly developed people in the world. And of course, no doubt, the English people, highly civilized people in the world. Rest of the Muslims are also civilized, Indians are also civilized, Africans are also civilized, Russians are also civilized. But when it comes to the proficiency of language and the profusion of language, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज जो है सर पूरी दुनिया में बोली जाती है. इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज ओपन्स डोर. इट इज अ गेटवे टू द वर्ल्ड, understanding the world, their culture, their policies, their innovations, and all that they do. English introduces us the world obviously. दूसरी बात सर, दुनिया का जो बेहतरीन लिटरेचर है, बेहतरीन लिटरेचर इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट हो चुका है. लिखा भी गया है, यानी दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा लिटरेचर इंग्लिश में लिखा गया है. ठीक है, और सबसे ज्यादा ट्रांसलेट इंग्लिश में हुआ है, तो इसलिए भी हम इंग्लिश को अडॉप्ट करते हैं. और तीसरी बात कि इंग्लिश एक इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज फ्रैंका है. यानी आप इटालियन है, मैं फ्रेंच हूं, मुझे इटालियन नहीं आती, आपको फ्रेंच नहीं आती, इंग्लिश कॉमन होगी. आप मैसेज मुझे दे सकेंगे कि मैं आपको मैसेज दे सकूंगा. और ये जो दूसरी बात आपने की कि हमने इसको एज अ फैशन बना दिया है, एज पैरामीटर ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड बना दिया. पैरामीटर और स्टैंडर्ड नहीं है, ये लैंग्वेज है, ये कम्युनिकेशन है, ये बातचीत कम्युनिकेशन का तरीका.